The production process and characteristics of Awamori. Hello everyone, and welcome to Japancellar. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of Awamori, a traditional distilled spirit from Okinawa. While it's classified as a type of Honkaku Shochu, Awamori has a truly distinct production method. Its unique process, with roots tracing back to the ancient Ryukyu kingdom, creates flavors you won't find in any other distilled spirit. Let's explore what makes it so special. The unique raw material, Thai rice. One of the biggest differences between Awamori and Honkaku Shochu lies in their raw materials. While Honkaku Shochu often uses Japanese rice or sweet potatoes, Awamori exclusively uses Thai rice, also known as indica rice. Thai rice grains are long, firm, and packed with starch. This specific type of rice is key to Awamori's distinct aroma and flavor profile. Processing the rice, unsteamed and raw. Here's another unique characteristic. Awamori uses its Thai rice raw and unsteamed. Unlike Honkaku Shochu, which typically steams its ingredients, Awamori utilizes washed, but uncooked, Thai rice. This method is a tradition passed down from the Ryukyu kingdom era, helping to preserve the natural characteristics of the rice and contributing to Awamori's authentic taste. The all-koji brewing method. Awamori also employs an exclusive method called all-koji brewing. In contrast to Honkaku Shochu, where koji mold is added to steamed ingredients, Awamori ferments its entire mash using rice that's been converted completely into koji mold. This approach significantly boosts enzymatic activity, leading to a robust fermentation and those truly unique Awamori flavors. The power of black koji mold. When it comes to koji mold, Awamori has another special secret. It uses black koji mold exclusively. While Honkaku Shochu can utilize black, white, or yellow koji molds, Awamori traditionally relies solely on black koji. This specific mold is known for its strong fermentation power and its ability to produce high levels of citric acid, which creates Awamori's characteristic aroma and refreshing flavor. A distinct production flow. The production process for Awamori is also quite distinct. First, the washed Thai rice is inoculated with black koji mold to create Awamori koji. Then, water and yeast are added to this koji to begin the primary fermentation. Unlike traditional shochu, there's no secondary mash fermentation step. Because Awamori uses the all-koji method, the starch breakdown and fermentation happen simultaneously, resulting in a deeper, more complex flavor profile. Fermentation and traditional distillation. The fermentation process usually lasts about 2 weeks, maintained at around 25 degrees Celsius. The aromatic compounds generated during this fermentation are key to Awamori's distinctive scent. Once fermented, the mash is distilled using a traditional single distillation method called Tenitsu Jori-yu. Awamori typically uses atmospheric pressure distillation, which beautifully preserves the rich flavors and aromas from the raw materials. The cherished value of aged Awamori, Kusu. One of Awamori's most standout features is how its value increases with aging. Awamori that's been aged for over 3 years is known as Kusu, and is highly prized for its incredible smoothness and complex aroma. Traditionally, aging happened in ceramic pots, but today, producers use a variety of containers to nurture these exquisite aged spirits. Awamori's deep connection to Okinawa. Awamori production is intrinsically linked to Okinawa's hot and humid climate. This environment is perfect for black koji mold growth and also uniquely influences the aging process. What's more, Awamori is deeply intertwined with Okinawan culinary culture, pairing perfectly with local dishes. Key characteristics of Awamori. So, to summarize, Awamori's unique production process and features include the use of Thai rice, without steaming it first, the all-koji brewing method, the exclusive use of black koji mold, a single fermentation stage, traditional atmospheric distillation, and, of course, a special aging culture for Kusu. Awamori holds a truly distinctive place among Japanese distilled spirits. Its unique raw materials, traditional production methods, and long history contribute to its unparalleled appeal. By expertly balancing heritage with innovation, Awamori continues to captivate enthusiasts worldwide, cementing its reputation as a singular and cherished distilled spirit.